My role at Eventide Homes is maintenance manager, supervisor, and my role is to basically make sure everything works at Eventide. It is a very good job. Been doing it for 33 years now. It's changed a lot. I think you've got to be a bit more open nowadays.
Because the aged care sector is forever changing, our education and what we learn needs to change at the same time. Eventide Homes decided to partner with FYA and South West TAFE. The new mindset program involved a number of on-site trainings. Staff were able to use the online pivot navigator to see where their roles may lead them or where they could move and progress within the industry.
I found it really good because when you use the pivot, it would say what is your career now, and then what's your good points like communication, computer skills, and then it would say you're good at this, and this is what your potentially goal could be, like a upskill, or you could change career, or it would give you positivity and it would encourage you to think that you just aren't a maintenance man, you're a maintenance man with confidence and abilities to do other jobs. It brought us all together a little bit about communication. Kind of hits home that we do that already, but we could probably do it better, or we could upskill to this, or even though I've been here for 33 years, there's always learning to be done, there's always new opportunities, there's always new courses that we do to keep up with modern times, basically.
He's certainly communicating a lot better with his staff, so he's definitely brought his trainings into the workplace, which is great to see.
To have all these courses here, I reckon it's fantastic. It's great that there's so much opportunity here, and there will be more opportunity in the future, I believe.